In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft Excel completely free for lifetime in just 2 minutes. So for it, just go to your Windows search option, then you need to search for Microsoft Store, and here you need to click on Microsoft Store. Then you can just search over here in the search option XLSX, then press enter. Then you will see this XLSX spreadsheet, and this is completely free. Just click on it, and then you will see this get option. Click on get, and there you can see it is downloading, installing, and it is complete. So right now, if I just click on open, it will open the Excel sheet over here. There you can see, and there is all the option over here that you need for a Excel. So this is how you can download and install Excel on your Windows. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.